Hello there. You might have heard some news about money laundering. No, it's not about throwing your illegal cash into a washing machine. Money laundering refers to the process of disguising illegally obtained funds to make them appear legitimate. It's all about cleaning that dirty money to make it look acceptable. Hence, the term laundering. Imagine you've just done something not so legal, like robbing a bank or selling illegal substances, and now you're sitting on a pile of cash. Let's say $1 million. If you were to deposit this money in a bank, they'd immediately start asking questions about its source. These suspicions would undoubtedly attract the attention of authorities. And if they find out the truth, well, you'd end up behind bars. So what do? You can't simply tell the bank or the government that this money came from illegal activities, right? Instead, you lie and say you earned it from a legitimate business, like running a restaurant. But wait, you don't actually own a restaurant, nor can you cook. No worries, you just buy a restaurant, hire staff, and start serving food to actual customers. Here's the clever part. It doesn't even matter if the food is terrible, or if no one shows up to eat. The restaurant exists purely to act as your money cleaning machine. Here's how it works. You take some of that dirty money from illegal activities and combine it with the restaurant's earnings. For example, if the restaurant earns $10 legitimately, and you add $20 from your illegal stash, you tell the bank that the business made $30. Voila! Now the bank and government think the entire $30 came from your lawful restaurant, turning your dirty money into clean cash. But it's not just about restaurants or fake businesses. People also use tricks like gambling in casinos, purchasing high-value art pieces, investing in real estate, or even dealing in cryptocurrencies to launder money. And of course, don't ever try this at home. If you'd like me to create more videos explaining these methods in detail, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.